Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make Nasi Lemak. These are the ingredients for the rice. I'm using this instant coconut cream powder for this recipe. First, peel the onion. Cut the onion in half vertically and slice it thinly horizontally. Next, slice the ginger thinly. Cut the lemongrass into half and use the back of the knife to bruise it. Tie the pandan leaves into a knot. First, let's wash the rice. I'm going to wash the rice at least 3 times. You know it's ready when the water is clear. In a pan over medium heat, add the 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add the onion, garlic, lemongrass, and pandan leaves. Stir and cook for a few minutes. Add the cinnamon stick and star anise. Cook until the onion becomes a little translucent. After a few minutes, add the washed rice and mix well. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Transfer the rice into the rice cooker pot. Add the coconut milk plus water mixture. This is optional, but I'm adding Fenugreek Seeds because I like the smell. Add half teaspoon of salt. Mix well and cook the rice for 1 hour in the rice cooker. Now, let's start with the chili paste. First, peel the onion. Roughly cut the onion in a big chunk. Next, chop the garlic. Peel the ginger. I'm gonna use this much. Roughly slice it. Add the onion, garlic, ginger, and anchovies into the food processor. Add some water. These are the ingredients for chili paste as well. Peel the onion. Cut the onion in half vertically. Slice the onion thinly horizontally. Next, thinly slice the ginger. Cut the lemongrass into half and use the back of the knife to bruise the lemongrass. Now, tie the pandan leaves into a knot. In a pan over medium heat, add 5 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add the sliced onion. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes while stirring occasionally. Add the blended mixture into the pan. Mix well. Add the pandan leaves and mix well. Cook for few minutes. Add the chili paste and mix well. I'm going to cook this for 15 to 20 minutes while stirring occasionally. Turn the heat to low and cover the pan with the lid. Add some water and mix well. Cover the lid again and let it cook slowly. After roughly 15 to 20 minutes, add the oyster sauce. Add the tamarind paste and add the brown sugar. Add 1 cube of fish seasoning cubes. Mix well and adjust the seasoning with salt to your liking. The sambal is now ready to be served. Let's move to the condiments. This is all the ingredients that you need. Slice the cucumber diagonally. Next, prepare boiling water in a pot. Add the eggs. Cook the eggs for 9 minutes. Prepare an ice bath. Add the cooked egg into the ice bath. Peel the eggs. In a pan over medium-high heat, add oil. Add the peanuts and fry them for a few minutes. Be careful not to burn them as they get burned easily. Once the peanuts turn brown, remove it from the pan and set aside. Next, add the anchovies. Fry them for a few minutes. Once it's crispy, remove it from the pan and set aside. We can now plate the dishes. Serve the Nasi Lemak on plate with all the condiments that we've prepared. You can also make it fancier by adding fried chicken to your Nasi Lemak. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!